Hello YouTubers. Today you're gonna explain how to export Facebook pages data by using Social Page Analyzer. All you have to do is download this program from Dr. Farfar website and install it on your PC. After installation, you will run the program from the desktop and you will get this UI. First of all, you have to press this button, Facebook here, and type your email and password to log into Facebook. Second, you have to press on fan pages and write the keywords you want to search for the Facebook pages. For example, I'll search for IT companies. I'll click on search fan pages. Here you have all the data you need. I'll pause the video. Oh, never mind. I'll keep it. So now the program have exported 25, 25 rows here. You have all data you need. Name, username, audience size, fan count, everything you need. Also, you have their contact info, phone number, and city with country. For me, it's Egypt. The common country is Egypt because I'm from Egypt. That's it. All you have to do is click file and save to CSV. CSV, I'll name it English version. And you have to go to this file and open it. You'll find all exported data. You have all the 25 exported data. Phone number, emails, everything you need about these companies. So if you want more companies, this field have how many data you want to export. 25 to 500. 500. Also, you can type uh, more than one keyword, one per line, as they type here. One per line. Travel, company, and so on, and just click search fan pages. I hope you like this video. Kindly like and share and subscribe. Thank you.